it's Faye. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do an e-girl haul. I don't even know what you consider this haul. It's like my inner, darker, alter ego when I was in 6th grade. Yeah, so a lot of these Asian street style that you're gonna experience with me as we both do this together, holding hands, it reminds me of Asian street style. Bear with me through this haul. You feel like you're just this dark energy going through life alone.
Twilight kid?
This haul is for you. I'm not trying to group or categorize this haul, but it's the vibe I'm getting. And this Mercury retrograde is ending soon. So let's let go of our alter ego and let's do this. I am out here carrying my struggles alone, and no one can ever understand the pain that I go through except the moon. I told you, be prepared. This is low-key. So I went with this top. It screamed, I was born to stand out, but also to stay in the shadow. This top is actually quite flattering. I'm actually very captivated. It comes with these two like sleeves. Way too big for me. Like, I even did my nails for this video. It's a little too big. It just feels like it's gonna fall off. They feel like I made it myself. Leggings I cut off, made 2 holes. Good job. Very loose. See it, yep, that's how bad it's structured. No grip, no seaming. There's strings all over. Throw these away. The top is actually pretty cute. The quality, not cute. Nicely fitted on my body. Looks kind of good, I'm not gonna lie. And then I paired it up with these pants. Lia Kim. I'm a boss, sing the dancer. They actually fit really well. Buttons that come up here. Are you ready to party? I am. You could even tie them, scrunch them up. See? You can wear them like 2 ways or no way. Definitely Lia Kim pants. Shout out to her. Waterfall. I've been obsessed with BI waterfall. I approve of this message. So this is a harness. You see where I'm going with this? Twilight. Like, how do you strap this on? Oh my lord. How many hoops do we need? This? Yeah? Oh, maybe, like this. It feels like a backpack. Wait, no. Okay. Strap it on at the back. No. Oh no! Okay, I think I got it. This? Is it this? Jesus? For her, for the model, good for you, sis. Her chesty besties were sitting up here. Unfortunately, mine start up here and end down here. Very inclusive, thank you very much. Harness, fail. So as you guys can see, this doesn't fit me. Was it the best idea to eat a cup of ramen before this? Maybe not. So this is a bandana top. I do love that there is this like strapless underneath. It's attached. You don't have to worry about the titty witties. The shirt's fine. Is it as flattering? I don't think so. Now the skirt, I thought I was. I can't zip it. Maybe I can. I got this in a large, so technically it's a medium. Cute. We almost got it. So technically, I'm kind of skinny. Okay, just a little bit, okay? Thank you. I look like a flag. I look like a napkin. Yeah, I'm not sure about that. Overall, this could be for you. For me, cut it out. Hey now, look at this can. Yes, we're well aware. You don't need to point it out. The Fupa Club is bigger than your attitude. Anyway, okay. So kind of insecure about it. I'm just gonna buy it. Like these white jeans. Feel it hard. Fupa initiated. Chubs activated. They are kind of long in length. These are actually a large in Asian sizes and surprisingly aren't too tight for me. They have pockets. They're actually pretty good quality. I'm not gonna lie. They remind me of like Walmart jeans or like Myers. Their jeans are fine. They're not as flattering on my body. This is why I never go for like white jeans. Who cares? I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. What dance is this from, guys? Name it. I bet you can. Not to mention we do have pockets here, but they are a little tight. My hands have to be like this in my pockets. Imagine if the pockets were invisible, I'm walking like this. But you know what? Who says I can't? Okay, this top though, I'm actually really obsessed. It looks very like sporty. It's actually not horrible in quality, although the seaming right here is really bad. It ties up here. You don't have to scrunch it up as much as I did. You can wear it like this. It kind of looks like a vest now. I like the seductiveness. It is a halter top. This is the back. Sorry if my bra is showing. This color is actually like really good in quality. There is shape. And it has like this double color. It almost gives a very like masculine vibe. There's a nice scrunch created in the middle. It gives like a nice perk to the girlies, the twins. Tell me I'm not gonna wear this to the golf course. This top too looks good at it.
Sometimes in life we have to make decisions that aren't up to us.
Sugar daddy top approved. Okay, so here's the next skirt. It took me a bit to like wiggle into it, but I got it through my thighs. Now the real question is if it'll zip, because as you can already tell, we have
Quite the dilemma here.
feels very familiar, you know, on this journey of Asian size hauls. This is no shock. It doesn't hurt my feelings anymore. It used to. This just means it's a challenge. I will see you in a month. It looks kind of like wonky, kind of like my personality. So this gives me very much lopsided views, and there's like so much wideness to this pouch. The pleats are just as conflicted as my stomach. It's long. It's meant to be a little longer. Church girl skirt. The color is actually cute. It's like a blue acid color. Too bad though, huh? Too bad. So we have this, right? I actually really thought that this haul was gonna be a very like sad, moody vibe, very e-girl, you know, in my feels. My surprise is a little chaotic, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my god! This is a blazer. It actually fits really well. I can do this, I can do this. It's not like restricting on the armpit chubs. No sweaty pits for days. Oh my god, how cute. It's a safety pin, and then this heart pendant. There's like a hook. Like, are we hooking fish? Okay, that's weird. Like, it doesn't hook all the way. It's like literally like just jabbed into an ass cheek. There's no union of the hook. You're a cool girl. I'm super cool. And next time someone says you're lame, you show them your badge.
I'm super cool.
Folds right here are nicely like folded. And the length you asked, I'm suddenly pick me girl, and I got his jacket, so it worked.
This one's for you and you, living out a dream.
Oh, apparently my singing gets copyrighted. Yeah, I know, shocking. I sung Halo in my recent skincare video. Copyrighted by Beyonce, the queen herself. Actually, no, it's like the music company label. I don't really know. I didn't know that my voice sounded so familiar with Beyonce. I am so honored, but also very offended. Like, you should be paying me. Anyway, Beyonce, the queen, Beyonce. Can I call you Beyonce? I'm such a fan, and anytime, collab right here. I know I'm booked and busy, but I will leave my schedule open. It's my honor, so thank you. Just ignore the skirt. I still want to put new pants on, and plus like it doesn't go down. Girl got hips or what? No, it's my muffin top stopping it from going down. Here's a very revealing tummy shot for you. Take a screenshot. Ooh, call me a model. Yes, bellies have fat. Look at this purple lilac top. The straps to this tank, the quality to this tank, very yes style but not horrible. And then it has this like string that you tie around to the back, to the back, to the back she go. Because my tummy rolls, it's supposed to be like that, right? But that's just how it is for me. This could be cute too. It actually frames the girls pretty well. You can wear them like this. Ribbon dance. Girl. Even if my tummy rolls say no, I say yes. So here's the next piece. Look at me. So I'm not wearing pants underneath, just so you guys get the full vibe here. It's not too long. If you are taller than me, please wear pants. I'd probably wear shorts if I went out, because imagine if you just bent over, you know? A full moon is what you're asking for. I kind of really like it. It has this like... what the fuck? like a lot of these pieces, some of them are very like Japanese manga, but this gives me like a Taiwanese look. And the dramas, you know? What are you, a koala bear? Cat? This M&O, your twin flame. Also, this top is very much multi-personality vibes. Like, you can totally wear this very badass. I don't give a care in this world. Or you can make this look very like cute. Only claim if it resonates. So as you can see, these jeans are in the size large, but they don't fit. I mean, they fit, but they don't fit. All fine and dandy, we're friends and all, until we get to the deep stuff. Yeah, thought we were friends, guess we're not. It's the same disappointment. Been there, done that, we know how it feels like. These are cute though. They have like these hearts going down your legs. I caught your heart, I caught your heart, now I'm gonna crush it. They're wide legs. They have a lot of room down there, but not enough up here. Mid-sized girls, you can never win both. They would have been such cute statement jeans. And this is what it is. So this top, it's pretty short here. And you might be wondering, Faye, what is this? This is how you're supposed to wear it. You're supposed to wrap around your neck and then wrap it around your neck again. It's supposed to be like a choker, except I don't think it can go one more time around my neck. Oh, it can. Oh my god, you can wear it as a headband. Wrap it around and it's supposed to look like that. Is that cool? I feel uneasy. Like my anxiety is fucking out the roof. It could be disastrous, hazardous, and very unfortunate. I don't think so. My anxiety is just not having it. I mean, what if this got stuck on something? Interesting, right? But yeah, I'm surprised it like looped around my neck though. She got a skinny neck. I will say, if you are a heavier chest girl, then you just have to be aware. I feel like Britney Spears in this. Do I look like Britney Spears? Hashtag say Britney. I'm gonna take this off. Well, my eyebrow came off as well. Ow! I feel like I'm choking myself for real. Okay, we got it over our head. We did it. Girl, you are not ready for this. I got myself some spandex. Not spandex, I mean suspenders. I can't reach. My stomach's in the way.
Ow.
Oh fuck, ignore this shirt. Like you can't even adjust it. There's no adjusty busties. Okay, well, do y'all see the room I have to grow arms? What? A little tight on the foot. This is way too big, like there's no way. I just feel so called out. I just want to be appreciated. They won't sit, they don't fit. It's not a hit. So good.
Waking up in the morning, thinking about so many things. I just wish things would get better. I'm trying to get rid of them.
I grew some wings. As confused as you are, in my defense, I am too. Don't ask. I don't know how to answer. I don't know what's happening here. T-shirt dress, we got it. We understand. But in this part, like we don't got it. We don't understand. I'm in an egg and I'm like hatching. I'm growing my wings. I'm gonna fly away. Like I do feel very liberated. And that's something to acknowledge. The designer was going through something. Or they were on something. Take a second. Comment below. Would you wear this? Waiting. Mara, come look at this outfit. What do you think? Are you ready?
It looks just like an evening outfit. Not evening
She
gown.
said evening out to dinner. Thank you very much. I'm a Barbie girl. Imagination. Come on, Barbie, let's go pop. This has to be one of my favorite tops. I love this neon green yellow with this hot pink. I love that there's like this cinching down here. Tightening effect. Gives you a little shit. The sleeves are like my perfect length. You guys know how picky I am about wearing sleeves that cover up the cupcakes and cookies in my arms. Right at the cut. Sculpts me out. Kawaii. It's so cute. How can you not? I have these sweatpants, right? Yes, we know. We see them. They're super warm and stuffy. You can tighten the bottom. I tightened this bottom, and this isn't tightened. And man, my couch, rip. Scrunchy dumpy. I love the sweatpants because they're super warm. They're very fluffy. Poof, poof. No poof. There are flowers. Forgot to mention the most obvious flowers. It's very like Spongebob. I approve of this message. What? I got these overall looking things. The way the model wore it is so bad. Not the way I'm wearing it. Okay, there are these two wider straps. The first hole starts right here. Noted. That is supposed to reach the button right here. I think there's an obvious issue. There are these two strings. Tie around your shoulder like this as well. Margarita and wine. Girl. Does this scream I kick ass? Or do I look like I'm about to go do some yard work? Also feels like a picnic cloth. Looks like it too. It goes up pretty high for me, like right under the chesty besties. You see how high this goes up? Look at this long ass day. Well, I'm gonna take this long ass day off and that is that. So I was gonna wear this shirt for you, right? Yeah, I don't think so. I'm not gonna put myself through it. Yeah. So this is the last piece, and this has such a freaking aesthetic. It does feel like a raincoat, very oversized, and you can actually buy pants to go with this. You get a bag, a hand-sewn bag. You just snap it on. Do I look like her yet? Can I beat her yet? She got some nice walking photos. Did someone screenshot this? I'm not sure. This jacket is a walking maraca. You can't be a sneaky bitch in this. You gotta be like... Totally. I belong in the street. I'm not at the cool kids this table with this on. I don't feel like it. I'm not invited.
I gave my peaches out Georgia.
오예시
I gave my weed from California.
대대시.
That is it for this haul. Overall, it's not for me. Just wanted to let you guys know that my merch is limited edition, so it's not gonna come back. Get it while it's still there. Let me know what shop you guys want me to try from next, and until next time, I'm sending you up.
Even if you try